give glory and honor to Him. Now this morning, ang mura o kandahan. Those of you who are visitors, may I see your hands? Mga visitors. Okay, welcome, no? Sir Lamera from Davao Mission. Huwag ang pag-tumagisita din here. Now, my question is, what is your name? So, wala na kumainhin. Okay? Pero sa tanan, you are all welcome. Mura o technology na to sa inyo, paano yan